Hello my flourishing friends, and welcome to the last Easter video of this year. I saved the best for last. I hope so. I found this little DIY kit and I think it was too cute. I hope you can see it. It's a little bunny and a flower plant that kind of fell in head first, which is really cute. Yeah, I also would like to introduce you to somebody, my trusty friend, the glue gun. We're gonna try to glue it all on with the glue gun so it sticks better. So let's unpack it. I already cut the lid open and almost killed myself. So the people that produced this really did a good job. This is what was in the kit. It even came with a little instruction thingy, which I think is so adorable because I think you already can see everything on the picture, but they did a really good job. Really cute. I'm gonna pop that here. By the way, if you're wondering what I'm zipping on, it's mango juice with water. Because it was too sweet, I had to water it down. Let's go. I think the glue gun is all warmed up. Let's put the pot like this. I think the bunny butt is already pretty firm and finished. So we're gonna put this aside. Let's see what the construction instructions, oh god, words, Lisa, say. First we have to do the leaves, so let's do that. I have enough stuff in my glue gun because I couldn't find those refilling thingies, but I figured for this crafting it should be fine. Growing up I used the glue gun so much because my mom is actually a florist and we did a lot of Christmas and other seasonal things for her shop, and I was always happy to help because as a kid I was already creative. By the way, do you guys have that too, that when you work with a glue gun you have those thingies everywhere? Let's see for how many days we find them in the apartment. Yeah, I thought it was a bit sad that it came not with glue to use it, but of course natural choice for this project is the glue gun. I planted plants. Here we go. Gonna pop this right here. That already looks good. Now I would like to assemble the paws, even though the kit says we have to glue the butt on first, but I think we can do that afterwards. So let's assemble the paws. Do you say paws when it's a rabbit? The struggle is real. No. Oh, fuck. I dropped it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think those parts are really little to do with a glue gun actually. But okay, I try to not burn myself that bad. Okay, and we made some little paws. There we go. Let's put the butt in the grass. Just gonna go mad with the glue there. Now all that we have to do is put the little paws on there and the little tail. Number 1 down. Number 2 down. And the little puffy tail. Ooh, this is so super cute. And so difficult to do. Oh well, when I remember the last DIY kit, I'm actually happy. So, yeah. Okay, there we have that. Looks pretty much like on the picture, I think. I'm gonna put it like, I don't know. I'll be able to see it. I think it looks so cute. Yeah, so fast and easy. So today was a little quickie. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great Easter. Yeah, I had really much fun. I look forward to decorate this now somewhere in the apartment. I hope the doggo won't get it. And yeah, I see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.